Please go to the description box and comment box to copy the all question for part 1 and part 2. You have been appointed as a consultant to the lead and professional architect as an international agricultural company that exports bulbs, flowers, and seeds worldwide. The asset full integration of the uses capability to the development and location. In various climate zone, the company wants to develop its strong self-directed team institution. The management activities demonstrate achieve the company one. Leader institution responsible state development with a business strategy that focus on profitable grow the environment training into operation process. The international operation of the company are object to legal and regulatory requirement for is instructive hardware product. In the selection of genetically modified seed have vulnerable control that are restricted and forced and compliant to data. The government put concern about the risk posits in the component global environment and as a result has approved the expenditure of resource to establish and federal anticipated. The also legalistic and very trustful to analyze the process architecture to ensure that they are within the legal guideline for a given operation. The mandate as the framework for the development of the national and the second place. Instead, A, you are recommended that this project and this activity is developed using a consistent modeling approach that is uniform across all agriculture projects. Each architecture should be defined based on this sort of model so that all concerned parties can examine the model to ensure that the issue and concern have to focus. Question 17. Read the scenario. The ABC company is implementation of specific parameters. See, you are working as a consultant and the fifth architect at a intelligence and security organization responsible for securing government communication and information system. This prevents the real-time, high-speed communication of knowledge video message to remote location around the world. The agency has recently received information from intelligence research that the current encryption protocol may not longer be suited for this function. The agency established until the architecture capability in Honda, Togaf standard. The executive director agency is reliable and high performance and secure communication are essential to preserve national security. The executive director has placed more information for the architecture of the upgraded system. It must be able to provide assurance and verification of specific performance measure on the key services that are most crucial of the system operation. A portion of the program budget has been allocated to conduct a review of the supply scope of the review used to evaluate the process content and government of the enterprise capability to ensure that the higher target performance and service only required by the average system. That's it. You recommended that the service extension will be incorporated into the this content methodology by using the extension. The service model is no longer constrained by what is expected. The graphical business service information, allowing more flexibility for adding customization model to support the more extreme development